Scroll too deep down the rabbit ran. Common chains crawling, you see that glance. Half twitching tail, half clicking claws. It squeezes through your browser's jaws. Eyes like actually, whiskers full of stats, typing in all caps from under the flat. Fear the crabcat when the thread turns wild. Front half hissing, back half hostile. Fear the crabcat when the facts go bad. It shows up purring naturally. That's been debunked. So snaps that link with a smug little tap. Drops 12 sources like a logic trap. Shelf full of charts, tail full of spite. It lives on well, to be precise. Every bold claim gets its claws attached. Every hot take ends up overmatched. Fear the crabcat when the thread turns wild. Front half hissing, back half hostile. Fear the crabcat when the facts go bad. It shows up purring naturally. That's been debunked. So is it helping or just hungry for a fight? Is it saving you or stealing all your night? Fear the crabcat when the theories spread. Front half judging, back half on your head. Fear the crabcat when you're sure you're right. It slides in softly, snorts and nails the vibe tonight.